Hello, thank you for joining me. I'm Susan D. Harrison of Spa-tique and So Sound Sanctuary at the homestead outside because it's such a beautiful day. And my taste tester, Jack, my grandson, is joining me today to help with this project because this is a Corona knockdown smoothie, as they call it, from the Hydration Foundation. And as we've been talking about on Thursday, it's all about getting hydration into the body and into your cell tissues, along with vitamins and minerals. It's not a matter of just water getting into your body. You need to get it into your cell tissues. And so what the Hydration Foundation found that with using certain foods is that it gets more into your tissues and helps that water stay in your body and helps your fascia and helps you just stay more flexible and more mobile and think clearer too. As we talked about, this is the book that we're getting it from, but specifically about a month or two ago, Gina Bria sent me this specific recipe that they came up for helping our immune system during this coronavirus. And what I love about it is that they say it's kid friendly. So we had to give it to the old taste test here. And so what's great is that, as you can see in the ingredients listed below as well as on here, we have an apple. I peeled the apple just so you don't have it's not as chunky. I eat the peels after I peel it. We have the blueberries, and then we have ginger grated just a little bit.
Coconut water.
Yep, coconut water, apple cider vinegar, sea salt, and basil. We were kind of unsure if the basil would taste good, but what did you think?
It was pretty good.
Yeah. So it is kid friendly. So after we did it in the blender, then I just put it in a jar with one of those little shaker balls in there. So that way, if you don't drink it all at once, you can just shake it up and use it as you wish. So without further ado, Jack, take your glass, cheers, and give it a try. What do you think?
Really good.
There we go. Got from the expert. All right, so try it, enjoy it. I thought it was absolutely delicious. So see what you think and let me know how you feel when you drink. Take care.